guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today we are unboxing the new Apple Watch Sport Band Black Unity Band, which is quite special edition, limited edition I would say. And yeah, so if you are new here, by the way, to this channel, we are making a bunch of cool technological videos, unboxings, setups, and way more. So if you're new here, just consider subscribing down below. And by the way, in the previous video, we made an unboxing of the kumquat edition of the Apple Watch Band, and now I'm wearing it. And so yeah, you can of course check it out anytime you like. So the video link to it will be right here, so you can click it and watch it. And now let's not really waste time and let's begin. So here, this is how the box initially looks like, I would say. And now let us unwrap it or unpackage it. So yeah, let's start. So I guess we can do it this way, or probably we have a, yeah, so we have this pull tab over here. Yeah, so I'm gonna right now do it like this. Okay, and after so many minutes of trying to do something, we are done. And now let's open the box. Wow, that's kind of interesting and kind of weird. You don't really expect from Apple, the Apple Watch Band, that it has a black colored box. However, well, that's the concept of this entire Black Unity Sport Bands. So yeah, here we have the black Sport Band, the watch band box, I guess. Okay, and let's unbox it. Okay. Oh, it comes out from the box pretty easily. This is how it looks initially, without doing anything at all. This is our box that we had. I'm gonna put it aside now. And let's take it out of here, of course. So it comes out pretty easily. Well, since it's unboxing, let's... And ASMR styled format. And whoa, we have this sport band, which just looks amazing. This box sort of gives it more professional look, I don't know. So pretty interesting box itself. Let's actually review the box. So here we have how the image of how this sport band looks. Nothing on these sides. Here we have written that this version is 44 millimeters, right? And on the side we have written Black Unity Sport Band, as in all Apple Watches. So you kind of get the thing that's written over here. Okay, and on this side, however, this is the important side, I guess. So here it says Apple logo watch, of course, and it says a sport band, space black stainless steel pin with this purchase. Now this is the important part of this documentation, or of this box, I guess. So it says, with this purchase, you are supporting organizations dedicated to advancing racial equity and justice. So yeah. And the design for Apple Watch SE, and here it says for which Apple Watches it's designed, basically. So for SE6 and works with any Apple Watch, basically, it says. And so here we have Apple Watch 44mm Black Unity Sport Band designed by Apple in California, made in China. Like here. Okay, and let's now move to the unboxing because we're talking too much. So yeah, we have this wrapper over here, or whatever you call it, and let's go. So here we go. That's it. That's it. All the unwrapping experience is in this tiny sound. Let's try this part out. Maybe it has more ASMR style sound. Wow, that's better. That's better. Not the perfect one, but still good. And we also have this part to unwrap as well, like this. So, oh, and by the way, this is how it opens, I guess, like this. And you see? Okay, and let me actually take it up anyway. Yes. Yes, good sound. And so here it comes. This is what I see in the beginning. And let's take it out, of course. So like this. And interesting stylish paperwork. And that's, I guess, for only this model. And of course, the general paperwork that you get with every single one of the Apple Watch bands. So nothing new here. However, here is the thing where we have something new. So I'm gonna read this. So this exclusive collection is inspired by the Pan-African flag, red for the blood that unites people of the African diaspora and was shed for their liberation, black for the black people whose existence is affirmed by the flag, and green for the vibrant natural wealth of Africa, the motherland. The flag represents the enduring sacrifices made by generations for a more equitable world and symbolizes a communal commitment to dismantling the systemic inequalities that diminish the civil and human rights of black people. Oh, okay. So hard to read. Some complex words, but anyways, this is how it looks. And yeah, let me put it aside now, and let's actually move to the Apple Watch band here. So it says Apple logo and watch. I don't know if you can really see it, however, I will try to show it to you guys on the, yeah, there you go. You see it right here. Yeah, so like this. It says Apple logo in the watch. So let's open it up, and even the specific how to attach instructions are in these colors, and only specifically for this version of the Apple Watch bands. So to attach band, slide in until you hear a click. So yeah, adjust the band to fit close to your wrist for optimal performance and all that sort of stuff. So and also here we have it here on this side, on this part is written to choose a matching watch face, touch and hold the watch display or open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and tap face gallery. So we will definitely fit the Apple Watch face with this Apple Watch band. And now let's open it up. Ho ho ho! Yeah, guys, it really looks amazing. So this is how it looks, guys, as you can see probably. Yeah, pretty nice, I would say. And by the way, I heard somewhere that all these special edition Apple Watch Black Unity Sport bands are different in some ways. So there are no two same versions, sort of, to say. So like these arrangement of these colors is different in every single version, so that's pretty cool. And so here we have the medium size and large size, and here we have small and medium size. I always use the small one because, well, I have small hands, small wrist, so yeah, let's take them out and let's put them on then. So, okay, this is how it looks, I think, yeah. So you see we also have the wrapper over there. And now let me take it out, of course. And now it's officially mine. Very good. Very good. And by the way, on this side we have written the black Unity. Not sure if you can see it, but so it is written the black Unity thing over there. And of course the 44 millimeters. And by the way, on this pin as well, like here, on this thing, is written solidarity, truth, and power, which is pretty interestingly placed on the small tiny ring, as you can see right there. So yeah, we are done with this part for now at least. Let me take out this part, which is the medium-sized lower part. Okay, and by the way, I think they come out pretty not as easy as the normal Apple Watch bands, but still anyways. So this is how the lower part looks like. So this is the combination of these two. And what does it say? It says nothing at all. And now I will put it on my Apple Watch, and basically then we'll maybe review it or something like that. So these are the parts that we get. Now I'm gonna take my orange or kumquat Apple Watch band out over here, this place, and then you pull this out like this, and then you do the same thing over again on this side as well. And now let me put it on this as well. So this is how you put it on as well. Oh, this fresh feeling. Even though I unboxed my Apple Watch kumquat band, it was couple days ago, like it was 4 days ago, I guess, and even now this one feels different from this one. The feeling of the new Apple Watch band is radically different. After time, it has different feeling because you wear it, and that's why. So very, very nice feeling of this new band. And this is how it looks. I really like this combination of the colors. Yeah, now let me put it on. Okay. Wow, okay. And here we are. This is how it looks on the hands. So I hope you were seeing it over there. So yeah, this is how it looks. Again, I want to mention that I'm using the Apple Watch Series 3, which is actually 42 millimeters, and it's completely fine to use 44 millimeter watch bands with it, because there is no problem at all that I'm facing with all of my 44 millimeter Apple Watch bands. So this is how it looks. We will review it later, like I will show you how it really looks a bit later. But first of all, let's actually go ahead and put on that black Unity wallpaper on it, so like watch face. So we're gonna press and hold it, then we are gonna go all the way here, then we are gonna now tap this plus button, and now search. It's all the way down, I guess, because it's U. Yeah, here it is, Unity, it says here. And we're gonna tap it, and now this is how it looks right now. And there are a couple variations of this watch face, so let me show you a couple of them. So there are three basically. This is red, black, green, and gold. Now the original one that is seen on all those, like even in here, where we got this thing over here. The original version is this one, which is red, black, and green. And I will use this. And we also have the black one. And by the way, we can add two complications, one on the up side, one on the downer side. So pretty interesting. Everything is pretty interesting, and this is how it looks, guys. And so yeah. And now Yeah, it really looks pretty interesting. I would say that this design is quite interesting, and the colors, the combination of colors is quite interesting as well. I think this is the second time Apple is doing the combination of the colors, because well, generally they only sell the Apple Watch bands with one specific color, and here we have 3 of those, so green, black, red. So very, very good combination. Now let us look at its color on the sunlight, and maybe it can be called as a review, so let's do this. And that's it, guys. So thank you guys very, very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to click like, because, well, you know, you will appreciate the work we've done. Also, you can click the video right here to watch the Apple Watch Sportband Kumquat Sportband unboxing and review, which is this color. And also, of course, guys, subscribe down below so that you don't miss any future videos like this, and comment something what you want us to unbox in the future videos. And that's it, guys. I'll see you guys later. Bye.